And now with COVID, ain't nobody really touring, I guess.
Nobody touring right now. You know what I mean? If
So
you
they
tour,
really hurting right now in them deals.
yeah, yeah, and
Mm.
that's one of the other things I wanted to get into was like how you can make money during COVID, not touring.
Please help us out.
So, um, if you putting out a record, a lot of times people just put out the record. So they get to the point where they upload the album to DistroKid or whatever, and they send
Mhm.
it to Spotify, title, all of the other stuff, right? And then it's like, boom, my album's out, yay! And
Yeah.
that's but the secret behind, and I think a lot of the younger kids understand this. The
All right.
secret behind making bread is off of singles. So if you're doing a record, say like you got 10 songs on a record, you
Mm-hmm.
release 3 singles before you release the record. So each time you release a single, it gives the algorithm, the way it works, it gives you an opportunity to reach more people before
Gotcha.
your record comes out. You know what I mean? Um,
Okay.
you got sites like Spotify that allow you to submit your singles to editorial playlists. And editorial playlists are playlists that are curated by the people that run the company and
Mm-hmm.
then send it out to however many people subscribe to their platform.
Service. Okay. Okay.
So, you figure if let's say like they have a playlist called, Soulful Grooves. Your
Mm-hmm.
soul you submit your single to Soulful Grooves. Soulful Grooves may have 2.3 million followers, right? So
I get it.
the moment your song gets on there, now you automatically are exposed to
Yeah.
2 million people. You see what I'm saying?
I
Which
got
means
you.
that now whether they pick your song up or not, whatever, but you may generate,
More
200,000
stream.
streams, right?
I
All
get it.
right.
I get it.
You see what I'm saying? So if you do that 3 times and you get picked up on 2 or 3 playlists, you may
Mm-hmm.
generate 600,000, 700,000.
Easy. Yeah. 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 I
You
get it. I get it.
know what I'm saying?
I
So I got
feel
I
it.
got a buddy of mine who kind of schooled me to all that. His name is Substantial
Mm-hmm.
Robinson. And I mean, not to promote, I don't know how you feel
No,
about.
no, no, no. Do your thing. Hey, look, this channel all about promotion of anybody and anything they got going on. I'm not worried about no plugins. So do what you gotta do. Shout them out. What's his name?
Yeah, so he runs a company called Sub Art and Music with
Mm-hmm.
his wife Michelle, and he's an artist as well. And he put out he put out like a song maybe 2 years ago. It ended up getting picked up on like a really major playlist,
Okay.
generated 6 million streams. You
Wow.
feel me?
And then
You
it's
know,
just boom from there, huh?
you make it 23 cents a stream. You can do the math. You understand what I'm
Yeah,
saying?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Like, he taking care of his kids and everything. You know what I'm saying? So it's
Uh,
like, if you the more chances you give yourself to have that happen, the better your chances of landing it. I had some success with it myself. You know what
hmm
I mean? So, and guess what? I ain't had to perform.
I
I
was
had to
about to
get,
say I just peeked that you dropped a single for your new album coming out this year,
yeah, like so I basically
huh?
as a producer, you supposed to, you supposed like it's different for us because we don't have words and stuff. So we
hmm
ain't singing. So we have to get people to be engaged just through the music. And
Feel
so I release singles before I release, and I release beat tapes basically. So if
hmm
anybody, wants to hear them, they're called beat treats basically. So I'm on my third installation, which will be out next month. And,
hmm
it's on all the major platforms, Tidal, Pandora, Spotify. It's out there. You just type in JSoul and beat treats and they'll pop up or whatever. But that's how I do it. You know what I mean? And I ain't gotta lift the finger other than be in my studio and make beats.
Doing what you do.
Yeah.
All right.